Welcome to JMG Tenant Wraps. Today we are doing a commercial vehicle. We're going to do a very simple design for them. We're just putting the logo, phone number, email. This is the easiest way to get yourself some advertisement for your business and also the very cheapest way to do so as well. One of the first steps you're going to have to do when doing a commercial wrap like this with a decal, you're going to want to measure the area that you're working in. So we have 28 inches, just verify it's 28 over here as well. That's 29, so it grows an inch throughout. Then we're gonna go from side to side. We have 119. So now when I go and design, I'm going to design with that size in mind. So that this way we actually put the logo in the most centered way, in the most visually appealing look by fitting this whole area and not leaving too much of a gap. Depending on how big your commercial job is going to be, depends on how much you're going to clean. Since we're primarily probably only going to work in this area, I'm actually going to only wipe down and clean this area. I'm not going to go and wash the whole truck down because it's not necessary. We're just going to clean the area that we're working in, and then we'll go ahead and move on. Now that we clean the surface, now we're ready to make sure our cutouts are going good, our decals. Now that we cut out the film, now it's time to lay it out and weave it out. Can be a very easy process if done correctly. Create a little cut in between the big words and the little words, and that'll make a lot of things easier. The first thing I want to do is get this anchor out the way. Anchors out the way. Now we're going to do the top section. Keep pressing the film down. Keep grabbing as you go. Making sure it does not touch back on. When you have all the right settings on your solder, this is how easy weaving should be. All right, it's all done. We're going to roll it up so that we could put the transfer tape on the other side. Now you're going to take your squeegee and press firmly. Start working our way. One side, then the next. Now that we have lined all of the graphics and put them in the positions we want, we are ready to go for the install.